Hi, this is Galit Goldfarb. Thank you very much for joining me today. I'm going to be talking about 7 tasty and easy to prepare breakfasts, different breakfast options for you. If you are not already aware, regular and healthy breakfasts are essential for your health. However, many people rarely eat a healthy breakfast, and some don't even eat breakfast at all. Now, eating a healthy, whole food, plant-based breakfast is the first step to support your health, especially when combating all weight issues and diabetes. So every year when school begins, we as parents have thoughts about what we will send our kids to school with to nourish their bodies and minds. And if you'd like more ideas on how to do this, check out last year's post titled Practical Back to School Tips for Healthy Children. Now, with all of this in mind, I wanted to give you some more tasty and healthy choices for super energy boosting and weight loss promoting breakfasts. So please pay no attention to the calorie content of the breakfasts that I'm going to mention, but rather to their nutritional content. Nutrient-dense foods will provide your body with nourishment for much longer and will remove cravings for non-beneficial weight-gaining promoting foods. So here are 7 more healthy breakfast options that you can choose from. The first one is organic puffed oat cereal. Now, the most straightforward breakfast is usual cereal. However, regular cereal is usually filled with sugar, often much more than the daily recommended allowance. Now, it's far healthier to consume oats, and a different version to these oats than we are used to are puffed oats, just like puffed rice. They're made from 100% whole grain oats, and they don't contain any sugar or any unnecessary and unhealthy additives. They are very filling and fiber rich and fun to eat. All you have to do is just add your favorite plant-based milk and you are set to go. Just beware that you are adding a plant-based milk that is not laden with added sugars, as your health goals will probably not be reached. Now, the next breakfast idea is a chickpea omelet. A chickpea omelet is an egg-free, healthy, plant-based omelet made from chickpea flour and nutritional yeast, as well as other spices and natural flavorings. The omelet is incredibly nutritious due to all of the benefits that chickpeas have. And you can add any vegetables you desire, like tomatoes or hot sauce or plain sesame seed paste to the omelet as well. And you can find the recipe in the description of this video below. Now, the next wonderful and nutritious breakfast is ancient Middle Eastern breakfast beans. This traditional Middle Eastern breakfast is not that simple to make, but if you use frozen or canned beans, it becomes practically effortless. Now, dried, canned, or frozen fava beans can be used for this recipe, and when using dried beans, you will need to soak them overnight and then cook them until they are tender. You can see the recipe in the description of this video below. It should take about between 1 and 2 hours to cook them if they are dried beans. If you're using frozen, then it takes all of this hard work away. Usually these fava beans are served on a bowl of hot hummus with garlic, lemon, cumin, paprika, and sea salt seasonings. And they also may be served with a hard-boiled egg on the side, as well as sliced ripe tomatoes, chopped raw onion cut into quarters, and fresh chopped parsley and cilantro, as well as green pepper if you like spicy, and of course tahini sauce. Now, this breakfast, it sounds complicated, but it's really not, and it's so satisfying, so healthy, and a very, very delicious breakfast. I absolutely love eating this for breakfast. Now, the next easy to prepare breakfast is toast with peanut butter. We often don't mention it, but if you're going to make this incredibly simple yet delicious breakfast, you should make it using natural wholemeal bread, of course, and also natural whole peanut butter that is made from 100% peanuts. You can buy it on Amazon, or you can buy it in the nearest health food shop. To get all of the health benefits that peanuts have without added oils and sugars and all of the chemical additives that are added to common peanut butter that you can buy in the shop. I also recommend buying peanut butter in a glass bottle, in a glass jar, for your health purposes. Now, you can substitute also the peanut butter for 100% almond butter as well. This tastes great with strawberry jam. I often make this for my daughters for school, and this is very, very tasty on whole grain bread. Okay, so the next easy and healthy breakfast is fruit salad. You can't go wrong with a fruit-rich breakfast. Besides being healthy, this breakfast is also delicious and easy, very easy to prepare. You can even make it the night before and store it in the fridge and eat it cold in the morning. Now, you can use it making any fruits that are in season. It's very easy to make. You just chop them up. If you want a little more flavor, you may add some orange juice to it and put it in the refrigerator. Actually, it will soften the fruits and make it very, very tasty in the morning. And you can also send it to school for your children to eat during the class breaks. Now, the next breakfast idea is cauliflower baked hash browns. Most breakfast hash browns use potatoes, but this recipe that is found in the description of this video below uses cauliflower instead, making it incredibly delicious and very nutritious as well. To make the meal tastier, you can add your favorite seasonings, of course. I recommend trying turmeric. You can even add avocado. It's very, very tasty, and it's also oven baked, so it's not fried, and it's very, very healthy. You can, as I said, find the recipe in the description below. And the last breakfast is the beloved Quinoa Bowl. A Quinoa Bowl is easy to prepare. It takes about 15 minutes. Once you have cooked the quinoa and allowed it to cool, you just add some soft tofu cubes, some peas, chopped parsley, chopped cilantro, salt, pepper, and a dash of olive oil. Also a juice from half a lemon. And you may add roasted pumpkin and sunflower seeds, which is very, very good. You just put them on a pan and heat them up for a few minutes, and it's ready. It just adds a lot of flavoring. If you chop the cilantro and the parsley, put it in the quinoa, it tastes absolutely wonderful. You mix all the ingredients together and you have the tastiest breakfast quinoa bowl. So there you have it, 7 more healthy and tasty breakfast ideas. The recipes are found below in the description of this video. Please feel free to comment below and let me know what you like best about these breakfast ideas, and give the video a thumbs up if you like the content. Also, please subscribe to my channel for lots of information that has to do with health and nutrition, of course. You can visit my website at www.theguerrilladiet.com for everything to do with health, natural living, weight loss, and feeling good about yourself, well-being. Thank you very much for joining.